Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show how you can use your Notebook LM tool for analyzing your LinkedIn profile. So this is my LinkedIn profile. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a PDF document from my LinkedIn profile. I'm going to use Control P on the keyboard to create a PDF document. So this is my LinkedIn profile. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on print here and I'm going to save it as PDF on my desktop. Okay, LinkedIn profile. So I saved it on my desktop. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going back to Notebook LM and I'm going to create a new notebook now. Once you click on create new notebook, you see an option called upload sources. And I am going to click on choose file and I'm going to upload LinkedIn profile and I'm going to click open. In a few seconds, my LinkedIn profile PDF document will be uploaded into Notebook LM tool. Once the PDF document is uploaded into Notebook LM tool, I'm going to ask some interesting questions. See, if you see now, the document has been uploaded successfully. It says the document is an excerpt from a LinkedIn profile for Naresh, showcasing his professional background. It details his experience in various technical roles. So what you can do is, in the same way, you can upload your LinkedIn profile or your CV or resume. Okay, you can upload either LinkedIn profile or you can also upload your CV or resume into Notebook LM tool and you can ask interesting questions now. Let's say for example, I'll show you one of the interesting questions that I'm going to ask. So this is an interesting prompt or question. I'm going to copy this. I'm going back to Notebook LM and I'm going to paste it here. How can I improve my LinkedIn profile based on the information provided? And I'm going to hit enter. Now it is going to analyze your LinkedIn profile and it is going to give you some valuable insights and ideas. This is really amazing. So based upon the feedback, you can update your LinkedIn profile. It says based on the information provided, here are several ways you can improve your LinkedIn profile. Craft a keyword rich headline. Naresh uses a concise keyword heavy headline that immediately communicates his expertise, such as system admin, server admin. This can help others quickly understand your professional focus and may improve searchability. So it is giving me to craft a keyword rich headline. And it also says showcase your activity and engagement. Naresh profile features recent posts in featured section demonstrating his engagement with industry topics and thought leadership. His profile also indicates he has so many followers which suggests an active presence. So it is giving all important details. So details about your experience with specifics and impact. So it is going to list all the relevant information here and it is also going to give some valuable insights. Okay, valuable insights which are going to help you to improve your LinkedIn profile. Okay, now here comes the interesting thing. So we have used this prompt, how can I improve my LinkedIn profile based on the information provided? And these are other prompts. What are the key themes and accomplishments in this profile? So it will list out all the key things and accomplishments that you have got in your experience. It says generate ideas for new content or posts based on the user's experience. So if you are someone who likes to post some videos or posts on LinkedIn, then you can ask Notebook LM to give some ideas. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going back to Notebook LM and I'm going to paste it here and I'm going to hit enter. Let's see how it goes. Now what happens is it is going to analyze my LinkedIn profile and it is going to come up with some ideas that I can post on LinkedIn. So it says based on your profile, of your expertise. Here are ideas for new content or posts you could create to enhance your professional presence. Deep dive into core technologies, Citrix virtual apps and desktops, Windows Server administration, VMware ESXi, cloud integration, hybrid cloud architecture. So all these things it is advising me or recommending me to post on LinkedIn. Okay, so this is the best part about Google Notebook LM. You can go out of the box and you can really think how you can use Google Notebook LM in a better manner for your career or for your job. Now here comes the interesting thing. At any point in time, if you want to create audio overview, you can create audio overview and the two AI hosts will come and they're gonna talk about your experience. They're gonna share some interesting things about your LinkedIn profile, and also they're going to give some valuable insights as well depending upon your profile. So this is a very interesting thing. And at any point in time, if you want to create video overview, like a video that you want to create based upon your profile, you can also create a video about this. So this is really amazing. And one more thing I would like to mention before I finish this video. Let's say for example, you are applying for a job in some organization. Okay, so this is the profile that I am really interested. Let's say for example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a PDF document for the job profile that I am interested. Okay, I'm going to click on print and I'm going to keep it as job and I'm going to save it on desktop. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going back to Notebook LM once again. I'm going to click on add to add the new source. Click on choose file. I'm going back to the desktop and I'm going to select the job profile or job description that I am interested. See, it is going to be uploaded in the Notebook LM tool in a minute. So once the document is uploaded, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run an interesting prompt now. I'm going to say something like to get truly get and well rounded ideas, you can also add other relevant sources to the same notebook. For example, you could upload job description for roles you are interested in, articles or guides on what makes a LinkedIn profile. You can also upload competitor or industry leader profiles. By combining these sources, Notebook LM can analyze your profile in the context of best practices and specific job requirements, giving you more targeted and insightful suggestions. This approach turns Notebook LM into a personalized career advisor that's grounded in the information you provide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going back to Notebook LM and I'm going to say, can you please give me valuable insights for my job application to update it on my CV or resume. Please read the job description that I have uploaded and share insights. I'm going to hit enter. This is some random prompt that I am typing right now. Let's see what Notebook LM is going to say. So what we are trying to do is we have uploaded the job description that we are interested in and we are asking Notebook LM to give some valuable insights. So it says based on job.pdf description for a senior escalation engineer and Naresh LinkedIn profile, here are valuable insights to update your CV. Highlight core technical expertise and match keywords. Okay, your profile demonstrates strong alignment with the job's core technical requirements. Ensure your CV emphasizes the following. So it is saying mention these things: virtualization and cloud, Windows Server administration, so networking. So it is giving all the important details on how you can customize your CV depending upon the job requirement. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.